Are you tired of working, but you have to work? It's time for you to retire, but the retirement fund is not enough to support you throughout your old age. So you are tired of working, but you are scared to stop working because you know you won't be able to pay your rent for the rest of the years that you have left. You won't be able to do certain things. Stop worrying about this. I've got a brilliant opportunity for you to be at home, run a business that is proven to work from the comfort of your home by only following a step-by-step blueprint. This gives you the opportunity to you earn what you are worth and earn what you deserve. To stop working long hours, only work 2 hours a day. You are being taught how to master a 2 hour workday and learn the skill on how to earn daily pay and passive income. If you are too scared to retire because you don't have the retirement funds, don't worry about this, because this, it doesn't require of anyone of any age. It is for everybody. In our community, there's people of over 80 years old that's making a success out of this. So do not be tied to to retire. You can make the money that you deserve from the comfort of your own home, working only the 2 hour a 2 hour workday that you are taught how to master. So if you are ready to stop stressing, stop work and retire gracefully, you can go to the link in my bio. You can go right ahead and start your journey and drop me a yes in the comment section.